We grow a lot of potatoes and sweet potatoes. We store them in a way that makes them available to use all throughout the year. I have these wire baskets that I connected to each other so that they would hang. Some are connected with shower curtain hooks and some are connected with string. I just used what I had. The wire baskets help the potatoes and sweet potatoes have air movement all around them. These stay in a cool, dry, dark room throughout the year. These are sweet potatoes that I dug up 9 months ago. Potatoes will start growing eyes about the time when they need to be planted. Oh, and I almost forgot. Don't wash your sweet potatoes or potatoes until you're ready to use them. This helps preserve them.